In front of me is Poco C61 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher to activate it and this arrow to go back. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To pin it, hold it and click on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To get rid of it, hold it and tap on pin icon instead of a pin one. To disable Clipboard completely, tap on the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!